Beneath the forest floor, a vibrant revolution begins. The rambutan seed is an architect of soft defense and hidden rubies. A strong primary root system branches out, anchoring firmly into the nutrient-dense tropical soil.
The first rambutan sprout breaks the surface, appearing as a pair of tender, bronze-tinted leaves.
The emerald canopy. From its first breath, the rambutan tree builds a dense, evergreen shield to capture every drop of tropical light. The subtle bloom. These crown-like clusters are the humble origin of the forest's most flamboyant treasure. This is the wood wide web, a symbiotic relationship where the fungal mycelium delivers essential nutrients to the trees.
The tiny flowers fall away, leaving behind microscopic green nodules on the woody stems.
The hairy awakening. Nature begins to deploy its most unique defense, thousands of soft, biological sensors known as spinterns.
The green rambutan fruits grow larger, looking like soft, neon green sea urchins hanging from the branches.
Respiratory engineering. Every spine is a lung, allowing the fruit to breathe while maintaining a formidable defensive posture.
The rambutan cluster becomes heavy, pulling the branches into a graceful, downward curve.
The ruby shift. A color revolution is underway. The transition from yellow to crimson signals the final concentration of sweetness.
The rambutan reaches its final stage, a brilliant, saturated ruby red skin with slightly darker red spines.
The selection. Only the most vibrant rubies, with perfectly intact spines, are chosen for the Genesis collection. Unveiling the heart. Beneath the flamboyant armor lies a pearl of pure, translucent sweetness. Liquid moonlight. The pulp of the rambutan is a structured reservoir of hydration and forest energy. The seed is revealed, light brown, smooth, and looking like a polished architectural element. From a woody seed to a ruby heart, the architecture of the rambutan is complete. This is Genesis motion. The camera glides through the dense rambutan canopy, sunlight stuttering through the leaves. A Genesis Motion digital sensor confirms hydration integrity, 100% guaranteed. Experience the soul of the tropics, the flamboyant defense. This is Genesis Motion. Zero-waste bioengineering. Even the armor returns to the soil to build the next generation of rubies. The shift from green to red is shown as a thermal bloom of ripening energy. The orchard soil is enriched with minerals delivered by a Genesis Motion precision irrigation system. Seamless transition. Nature builds a perfect barrier that is both tough and easy to release.
The rambutan canopy acts as a biological umbrella for the delicate forest floor ecosystem.
This AI visualization reveals how the rambutan's potent water content rejuvenates skin at a cellular level. The rambutan tree stands as a masterpiece of tropical abundance and resilient design.
A single drop of dew hangs from a red spine, reflecting the entire Genesis motion estate.
Sunlight filters through the hairy skins, making the whole cluster look like glowing embers.